Do you plan to study abroad but don't know where to start? 1. What do you want to achieve? To be successful in something, you must know what you want to achieve. Why do you want to study abroad? The answer to this question will have a big impact on the choices you should do in the following steps. After all, if your goal is to become a designer, you should make a choice that gives you the best possibilities to achieve that goal. 2. Find the right school. Once you know what you want to achieve, it is time to look for suitable schools. The next step is to have a closer look at your shortlisted schools. You can search for schools all over the world in our international school database and connect with our experts on how to find and choose a school abroad. We can help you to find the right school and program in many countries. Fill in an information request so we can help you. 3. Go on your own or through an organization. Take an exchange semester through your current school. Go through an agency. Let the experts arrange everything instead of doing all yourself. 4. Apply for admissions. 5. Financing, budget and scholarships. There is usually a tuition fee when you study abroad. I recommend that you make a budget where you add together your expected costs for tuition, course materials, accommodation, flight, visa and estimated living expenses. Working or applying for scholarships can be ways to increase your budget, but remember that there is no guarantee that you will get a job or scholarship at your preferred destination. 6. Student visa. When you study abroad, you usually need a visa. The main exception is EU students studying in other EU countries. Make sure to check the visa regulations for the country that you want to study in. 7. Student accommodation. To enjoy your studies abroad, it is important that you find a good place to live. Many schools have their own accommodation that you can book through them. 8. Student insurance. Studying abroad can be a real adventure. Make sure to stay safe by having a good study abroad insurance. 9. Packing. Don't forget your passport, visa and enrollment documents. Adapters, chargers and some local currency are other important things to bring. 10. The trip to your place of study. You can often get cheaper tickets if you are willing to accept a long flight time with several stops. For more information, register now. Fill out an information request if you want to get in touch with suitable schools in a specific country. Don't hesitate to ask us if you have any questions about studying abroad.